back, everyone. Today we've got a couple things planned. We're actually going to work on my car today, and we're also going to work on Noah's car. So he's got a differential brace that he's going to be installing in his G35, and then I'm going to demonstrate this real quick. Oh geez, what have I done? Hold up, time out. You can tell I don't have a horn. So today I'm going to fix that. I got to take like all this apart, so I have to take the wheel off. Well, hold up, bear with me. I got to take this quick release off because I need to plug in the stock harness underneath this hub and then run the wire underneath this. I gotta figure it out. It shouldn't be too tough, but I just gotta take everything off, and apparently the hubs are hard to get off once you've already had them in for a while. So hopefully that's not too difficult. Right now I'm waiting on Noah and all them to get here. Oh, there they are. Speak of the devil and they shall appear. Wow, I didn't get that, but okay.
Oh, okay, let's redo it then.
Okay.
I'm about to gut this box like a fish. First, what you want to do is put the knife in there and then fillet that bitch. And then, look at that.
Look at those cuts, though.
They call me Gordon Ramsay of the car world. But I always wanted orange bubble wrap. Yes! I'm literally going to come on myself. Oh, look at that red powder coating.
Oh, you got the red one?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Oh. Shouts out to Bell Raceworks. Hashtag sponsor me, please.
Hey, fucker! Say hello. Let's go in.
Your car is slow. I gotta piss, hold on. That's Fitment, though!
What are those?
I need Fitment.
Tell me about it.
Noah and David can handle this.
Video flagged.
What up? My name's Ethan, and I'm 14. Slaying all these women with my massive peen. Bro, my
Where are you at?
It's because your dip is so big. Where's your fucking Loctite?
You got it?
The bottom drawer, I just told!
Here's your Loctite, baby.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome. David, you're such a beat. Oh, doctor.
He is
Ooh,
whack.
Noah, your boxes are red.
Is that a problem?
Team effort.
I know, right?
All of this just so I could put a diff brace on. What?
Damn, it's like his hand's always in the way.
It's right there, right there.
3 months
right
ago.
There, right there.
My neck.
Top drawer.
My bag.
Top drawer.
Lick my pussy and my
The
crotch.
drawer, David. The drawer. Pull out the top drawer.
The blue one.
Holy shiza.
You want a what?
I want a 17.
Just a 17?
Yeah.
17 millimetero. Dude, if this tire fell, it would crush my scrotum.
My whole body would be crushed. You're worried about your scrotum?
My scrotum is very sacred.
Thank you.
I have like the sacred scrotum.
I gotta get back in here.
It is
Get in
I,
there.
sacred scrotum boy.
Is this what you needed, Noah?
Yes.
I found this.
I think the other one's a 19, by the way.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, shit, he wants it.
I read the instructions. Just
David, can you get the 19 as well? You know where it's at? Awesome.
What do you call those things remember the things that I bought from
Channel
Harbor
locks.
Freight? Yeah, channel locks.
Yeah?
I need my channel locks.
I don't know the fuck your channel locks are, man.
They're on the shelf in the closet. It's in the closet where the rest of the tools are.
Ah, you mean that closet.
The outdoor closet.
That closet.
That closet.
The one that would make the most
That
sense.
closet. He closed the door. Is he locked? There's
He's
no
beating
way.
his dick.
David!
David, don't get your meat in my house.
Motherfucker.
What do you need?
I'm waiting for David to bring me my channel locks.
David!
He also never brought me my 19.
What,
I
yeah,
have
you
it in
did.
my hand, you dick wagon.
You guys 19, asshole.
Give me my lock jaws.
I don't know what the fuck is that.
You
God.
guys even work on cars.
No, Julia's marketing.
It's them.
Here we go, I found them.
Gracias, mi amor.
De nada, cosito.
I love when you speak Spanish, David.
There is one.
The lockjaws.
Lockjaw.
No,
Channel locks.
Channel locks, my bad.
Lockjaws are like vice grips.
Lockjaw is like what you get when you suck too much dick.
Yeah, that's actually true.
So channel lock.
Yeah, channel lock.
Channel
my bad.
lock.
Yeah.
It's like channels on TV, but they lock.
That's
That's actually a very
They-
bad description.
That's a horrible description.
That's the kind of examples that I need to understand.
I swear this video is just gonna be filled with AIDS.
I love going
And now you can jack it from there.
I'm gonna jack you.
Whoa. Huh?
I'm gonna strip this if I tighten it.
Yeah, don't strip it.
It feels
Yeah,
like
just-
it's turning into a lefty
That's
loosey.
okay.
Yeah, I would stop.
They will, they will.
All right, she's installed.
All right, diff brace done.
Look
That's
at
like
that.
the easiest install you can do on a Z.
$100 and installs
I love you,
in
Dad.
5 minutes if you actually like.
Have all the tools ready instead of sending David to find
Yeah,
the seven.
exactly.
Yes, mommy.
Hi.
Hi, mommy.
Hi, mommy.
Okay, no, I'm out. That's a.
You got this.
Well, you gotta gas it, homie.
Yeah, bro. Do a pull.
Do a pool with 4
Did she
people in
just
the
say
car?
do a pool?
We ain't gonna get nowhere.
Is she a car girl?
Wifey material?
We're getting there.
Dude, it doesn't clunk anymore when I shift.
Yes.
Must be nice.
Again. Yeah.
Oh, I'm really hooking up with all these people in my car. Holy shit.
Are you calling me and David fat?
I'm saying y'all are sandbags.
I don't know. I know it's a 1/8, but I don't have a 1/8. What's a 1/8 in millimeters?
1/8 in millimeters? Like
Yeah.
2?
1/8 of an inch is not.
1/8? Oh, I thought you said 16th. Probably like 4. It's 4 or 5.
No, it's not. Probably a fucking 3. Guess what I don't have?
3. I got a 3. I have a 3. I just told you that.
If you have a 1/8.
See, now look who's the one that doesn't have tools.
Hey! But how many tools have you borrowed from me?
Huh? Just a hammer and some fucking needle nose, okay?
Yeah, but it's like 6 times you borrowed the hammer.
You said you need metric?
It don't matter.
Yeah, look at that. This set has a 3 in it. See that?
Mine does too, but I have it at home. 'Cause
3. How the fuck do you focus on this bitch?
I'm in here.
Focus. Oh, there goes 3.
Thanks, dude.
You're welcome, bro.
Turn your headlights on. Never mind. Turn them off. Or not. That is a beautiful picture right there. You got the toolbox, the car, and the jack. Cause your back door's open. Oh, your front door's open. David, shut the door. Can I not take a picture while recording?
No.
Fuck. Yes. Can I help you?
Box somewhere back here.
Fook. Turn your car on. Try it again. Meep. Ah, shite.
Car except for weight.
Where the fuck is your horn?
I don't know, Noah. You're asking the wrong guy the wrong question.
Horn location.
Alright, I'll Google it.
I need something with a double spade connector, unless I could just rip these off. Do you care if I rip these off?
Hopefully we don't have to use them.
It's continuous.
F1.
It is continuous because this is a fuse.
What's up, David?
It says there underneath the bumper.
This is a 2 ohm.
Underneath the bumper?
Left front corner of the car.
Oh, hell no.
We're gonna have to make this quick because it's probably gonna be loud.
Wait, where's you running from?
Why
are your chocolates
in here?
Underneath the bumper in the left front corner of the car.
Bro, your horns don't fucking work. Like I'm shorting them right now and it's not honking. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, your horns are broken.
Full swipe.
Still don't see a horn.
That did not go well. So I'm gonna put all this back together. Cause I have a horn. Hey Julia, hit him with that 2-time. Big sad.
Where the fuck are your horns?
Eat my ass. I figured. Dude, I'm so glad I bought a VW. Oh God! Hey Julia,
Austin?
if you open the door,
Yeah.
there should be a nut somewhere down there. Or A bolt. I lost
I
it.
see it.
I'm such a slut.
That's good. That looks good.
Maybe I'm tripping.
Please, I'm out.
I just feel like it's not it.
That's it.
You think so? Alright, if I'm driving down the road crooked as fuck,
No, no.
and I gotta take this sumbitch back off, I'm gonna hit you.
No.
Balls deep in your mom.
No.
Why is that when I get on camera? Fuck. Sorry,
I'll
madam.
hold the camera too.
Sure.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls.
Sergio might have dated me. Sergio has a
No, go
tight
beep, beep.
That's her room. Alright, your wheel's straight.
My wheel straight?
Yeah.
Alright.
Woo.
You!
How do you feel?
Big sad, big sad.
Me too, me too.
Fuck it. Fuck it!